Oh, blows the tire away. Who can solve this riddle?
Guys, we've got some amazing high horsepower motorcycles coming up, but we've got a tricky racetrack. It's cooling down. The dew point's very, very high. We'll see who can navigate these tough waters.
Frankie Stomp's one of the most powerful no-bar bikes in the world. Let's find out why this track is so difficult and tricky.
What's on the outside here? Right there.
I moved him away from everybody else. The rubber, all the rubber pulled up with it when he left.
So we got rubber pulling up. That's the issue, huh?
Yeah.
Doesn't seem like there's much of a base, huh?
They had a no prep race here last week, so.
Ah, that's what'll do it.
Happy birthday to you.
Stay with us all the way till the end. We'll take it to our big money finals. Here comes Mike Tien. Oh, and again, all of these tuners and riders dumbfounded.
0 for 2 on that one. I told you with these high horsepower monsters, sometimes things can go wrong, and right now they're fighting some tricky atmospheric conditions.
Guys, we've got Mike Burkhart from California. Look at the exhaust system. The bullhorn, so unique. You guys think this could be the way to make more power?
Yep, absolutely. For a nitrous application,
It sure makes your motorcycle sound unique and cool, I'll tell you that.
there's some benefits of that also.
Yes, there are, man. Well, good luck to you. All the way from
Thank you.
California here in Virginia.
Yeah, it was a long haul.
You put some miles on. Good luck here next pass.
Thank you.
It's gonna be a heck of a race. Bullhorns right lane. We got Pick and Pockets, Dave Page left lane. Two very tough customers.
Two talents. This takes so much poise, concentration, and accuracy. Each rider hoping their tuner got it right. Near lane overpowers the racetrack. Problems left lane. Near lane back on the throttle. Can he catch him? Yes!
What a race! What a race, guys! We told you that would be wild. Right lane takes it.
Big match up there. TikTok in the left lane. Keep an eye on him. Speaking of TikTok, check out Cycle Track TikTok. Oh, finally, a strong pass. Billy Vokes may have had something to do with this. Great job. Oh, but it was costly.
A big win right lane, and we're going to have to check the racetrack. Big puff of smoke. Let's hope that wasn't a costly one.
We've got another pedal fest. Here we go. We told you this would be thrilling. Top end of the racetrack. Who gets there first? Right side.
Right side gets the win, we told you. It's a little tricky tonight, little tricky. Big burnout. We got problems over here.
Tough break, but he would have been hard to defeat. Nice strong pass right lane. Here comes Lil Jones.
This cheering section, my goodness, they're ready. We got the whole crew.
A lot of friends and family looking on. Jones spins the tire.
Oh, the ZX14 up in smoke. The Busa's going to take the win. Oh, but did you see those sparks? What happened? The Busa takes the win, keeps her on two-wheel. Let's take another look. This epic rivalry, the 14 spins. The Busa seemingly on a trouble-free pass, but watch this. Yowzer. Thank goodness he's okay.
I love it. Nice stickers. What's your name?
Derek,
And what's your name, young lady?
Kyra.
Where are you from?
we're from Virginia. We're here at Chesterfield.
Do you guys watch Cycle Drag? Yeah. Thank you so much. We appreciate it.
No problem.
Here's a close look at that DME masterpiece. Stay with us. We got finals coming up.
Oh, sir. Nice sticker. What's your name?
My name's Big Mike, and I'm Cycle Dragon.
I love it. Who do we have over here?
Felicia.
Is she Cycle Drag too?
Yes.
I love it. Bye, Felicia.
All right.
Oh my goodness, cuteness factor is off the hook. We have the cutest fans in the world. What is your name?
Leo.
I like it. How about your name?
Sanaya.
You guys watch Cycle Drag?
Yes.
Thank you so much, guys.
Nice launch, right side. Battle of the Green 1000 is going to go to the right lane. Another epic matchup coming up. Dacetta is ready to go. Oh, Dacetta jumps out of the hole, but he red lights the zebra. Left lane's going to take the win. Let's take a look at this hole shot. Wow. Dacetta jumps huge. Not sure if it was a clutch problem. Ends up red lighting. Uh-oh, what's that bottle doing? Get your bottle woman. Here comes Kill Bill, right lane. Kill Bill, can he weather this storm? Problems? Yes, he does. Misbehaving. The Busa has problems misbehaving, coming from behind, top end of the racetrack, left side, misbehaving. Here's Cody Lowe.
Here we go. And ride with him. Can you feel me? Do you understand?
Position, looking for a win. Out of the whole hard again. Top end, we got a battle left side.
Here's the situation. They ran a no wrap up. Come on, Fabian. Nice. Nice job.
Cycle Drag, we are all family. Everybody's in the building. We have a great time and enjoying these races. Man,
That's what a drag bike dance-off looks like here. Always having fun in between downtime. Get to one of these races if you can.
All right, let's get to our big money run. TN, LAT, a dog fight. Here comes TN. No, LAT, left lane. He's raced in Curacao and Aruba. There's no denying that's one of the best looking boosters out there. This is Torben. Just a bit amiss Now that's Suzuki Hayabusa. We got a big money run here. Wow, did you see the right side jump out of the whole black track and the whole way down? No, left side sneaks in. What a top end charge. And now our main event, Misbehaving versus Kill Bill. This one for all the big money. Who do you got? Let me hear you in the comments, social media. Top racers. Kill Bill spins. Here goes Misbehaving. Top end of the racetrack, Misbehaving. Congrats if you won it. If you like that video, here's another one. Subscribe in the middle.